Hello, this is Chris McKhann filling in with today's volatility sonar report. VIX is now down, sitting at 31.82, still at very high levels, but down about 1% after getting up to about 33.3, the high of the day when the S&P 500 touched down to its lows of 1221. Now, the S&P 500 has picked up about 8 points from that. It's flat on the day, and that has driven the VIX back lower. VIX still shows a fair amount of fear here at 30, almost 32. The 10-day realized volatility in the S&P 500 is down below 25% now, and a VIX at 32, say, indicates that the SPX will move, or traders expect it to move, about 2% a day, at least 2 out of 3 days, and the third day they expect it to move more than that. Jamie on the floor with Group 1 in the VIX pit says that it's really dead down there. One interesting trade was the December 35-25 risk reversal. So traders buying the 35 calls, selling the 25 puts, paying $1.30 on those. They did about 3,500 of those, looking for upside in the December expiration. When we look at the VIX futures, of course, those options are priced off the VIX futures. We get a kind of an interesting setup here. So the November VIX futures are down about 0.6%. They're 32.20. December's down at 30.15. Now, that's the lowest of any of the VIX futures. The rest of them are in the high 30. January's up actually at 31.35. The rest of the VIX futures going all the way up to June of 2012 are in the kind of high 30 range. So the lower VIX futures in December have to do with seasonality. They have to do with the days off and the fact that time decay, essentially you have some volatility issues with the way options are priced during those holiday times. But those futures are priced lower because of that, and this trader apparently is making a bet that that if any of the futures rocket higher, those December futures may be especially susceptible, especially given what's going on in the world. Even though it will be holiday times, that doesn't necessarily mean that that bad things can't happen. That's today's Volatility Sonar Report.